My new project, Jennifer Álvarez. Course English Do Word Level 5. Tutor Julio Cuentas. I am going to travel to Spain next year with my family. We are not going on vacation. Some time ago, I had a very good job offer in the city of Irún, on the border with France. We know the chance is back. We are serious. I am currently planning to contact a tourist office to buy the boarding pass in the last month. We applied for passport. Will we travel on November 2029? This time the weather is cold in the fall season. I will buy sweater clothes. For this moment, my son is having to practice soccer and dream of visiting the Barcelona stadium and playing for team. If he tries hard, he will play in Barcelona. My daughter wants to know the city and the school. We are going to travel to win for String. If we travel before, we will enjoy.